266 trades, 265 wins, and only 1 loss. This is what was achieved with this trading strategy called Quick Finger Trading Strategy, QFT for short. It was developed by a Canadian called Quick Finger Luke. Luke was the god of crypto trading from 2016 until he vanished. He traded penny stocks back in 2009 and then came into crypto. Luke gave us a lot of free tutorials on YouTube, but during the pandemic, he just vanished. His YouTube channel deleted and he cannot be found anywhere online. I messaged him via email while preparing for this video. I hope he responds. Anyways, his strategy is really simple. Anyone can apply it. As a matter of fact, some softwares have been developed to help you trade this strategy. The QFT strategy has 3 steps. 1, identify a base. 2, when the base is cracked, you buy. You can buy multiple times as the price goes down. 3, when it starts rising, sell for profits. Just 3 steps. So, what is a base? When there is a sharp fall and rise in the price of a crypto asset, the bottom forms a base. Here's what I mean. If this is a BTC USDT graph and price is fairly stable, then it falls sharply and rises. This bottom is base. On a real chart, here is a base. I'm doing this on WhiteBIT. Here is another base. This is what a base is, and that is how to draw it. The next is when a base is cracked. Note that a base might not be cracked. So I might draw a base, then another base forms above that one. So I'll go ahead and draw that one and wait for it to be cracked. When a base is cracked, that is broken, I can buy below the base. Let's look at the psychology here. When the base is formed, people believe that anytime price comes down to that point, it will reverse from there. So what they do is that they go and place their buy order there. But when the base then gets broken, it surprises them and they start freaking out. They start panicking and start selling. And what happens is that it further and quickly drives down the price. But more than 90% of the time, it always quickly recovers. So as a trader that trades without emotion, this is an endless opportunity for you to make profit. So you identify a base. When the base is broken, buy. When it rises, sell for profits. Now, let's identify some base on a real chart on WhiteBIT and how to trade it. We have identified this as a base on WhiteBIT, right? So let me use a different trend line to draw this. So I've drawn this trend line. So this is a base. We identified this to be a base, right? Because it's a sharp drop here and it rises back. So when this base is broken, right, I can buy in this zone. These are my buy zone. Let me get a brush. So these are my buy zone. My buy zone, I can buy as it's broken. Then when it starts rising, I can start selling anywhere from here, right? So this is simply how it's done. You identify a base, right? This is also another base now, right? This one, let me just use a different trend line. This is also another base now. So if this, say Ethereum, because this is Ethereum USDT, say Ethereum comes down and breaks this base, right? I'm going to buy below the base. And when it starts rising, I can start selling. I can buy in multiple places. I can buy small, buy small, buy small as it's coming down. And when it starts rising, I will sell for profits. So this is simply how it works. Now, it's not a must that this base will be broken, right? And that base might actually form around here, right? And I'll draw. And I'll draw it as my new base. So this is simply it. If you don't have the time to do this, there are already prepared softwares and indicators to help you trade the QFT strategy. Let's start with the one on TradingView.
I'll just search for quick finger look, right? You're going to see a lot of search results. So this one is with TradingView. So if I click on this, these are just indicators prepared by someone. So this quick finger look based scanner, and this is version 2 prepared by this guy. You have to buy it, it's not free. You can actually buy it, and it helps you identify bases and shows you where to buy. Now if you can see from here, you can see from this chart, it's showing you the bases drawn here, around here, and here, and here, and where he circles these are the buy zones, and you can sell above. So this is a great one. So there are a lot of quick finger tools and indicators developed by individuals that help you do this.
The next is QFT.hodlo.com. This is actually the one that Quick Finger recommended before he vanished. He just trades a strategy.
QFT.hodlo.com. You can see that this one actually was developed when Quick Finger was still on YouTube, and he recommended it as a good scanner. So you can see that this is free to use. It actually draws the basis for you, right? You can see a base. It has drawn this base for you. It has drawn this base for you. It has drawn this base for you. So what you can do is just to set an alarm, right, at this point. So whenever it's cracked, you can buy. If it rises, you sell. Let's look for the ones that have been cracked before. Look at this one. It's cracked here. These are all your buy zones, and these are your sell zones. Another one is this one. It cracked. This particular one, it was cracked here. These are your buy zones. As it came up quickly, and these are your sells, your sell zone. This one cracked here. Okay, if you look at this one here, let's look at this base. This base was broken here, and if you have bought here and bought, you see it rose up back, you'll have sold here before it now dropped down to this point. So it actually gave you an opportunity to buy and sell. So this is simply the quick finger trading. So look at this other base, right? This is a base, it went up. So once it's broken, it's a endless buying opportunity, and going up back is selling opportunity. So you make profits. So you can actually use this scanner to know when the next thing happens. So keep on drawing bases. You only take action when those bases are cracked.
So guys, this is a QFT trading strategy, and that is how to use it. I hope you understand this. Maybe we should hold a live session to explain this more. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do this. You should also know that Luke also have another trading strategy called the small account building strategy. If you want to know how that works, then you should watch this next video.